How to fix Roblox audio not working? For this, take Roblox volume. Open Roblox and join a game. Press settings. Make sure the volume is turned up and not muted. Make sure it and the output device it should be in your default device, or else if you have 3 to 4 device means you need to set the device you are using. Make sure it once complete after close it and come to next method. Check your device sound. Check the system volume and test the audio and check correct speaker or headset or selected. So for this you need to go to settings, system settings, sound settings, and go to speaker. In this format it should be in 48,000 hertz, and volume you need to increase and decrease and check. After that you need to test it. Click test. It should pop up like this. The volume should be pop up like this. If it's not means there is a problem. So check it. And after the next method, go to device manager, update the audio drivers. For this, go to device manager and click audio input and output. Right click speaker. First we need to update the drivers. Once complete after close it and check it. If the issue still remains, then you need to again right click it and uninstall the driver. One is you uninstall after you need to again restart the device. It will automatically reinstall the drivers. So this is how to fix it. Thank you.